This burn is going to restore some of the conditions that we're trying to mimic through prescribed fire that would be much like the pre-settlement conditions that we think maintained longleaf forests in the eastern Piedmont. The value of the longleaf pine is that it is an almost extinct habitat that was once abundant in eastern North America. It was one of the most important biomes, and literally gone, with a few important exceptions. And so restoring sites like this brings that element back to the landscape.
Is this something that landowners could use in eastern North Carolina and other places to maintain their longleaf pine forests?
Absolutely. There's been a lot of work done, particularly in the deep south, in Georgia and adjacent Florida Panhandle, encouraging landowners to practice what's called ecological forestry, which is a multiple use forestry. Some of it would be extractive. You're growing trees for timber, but you're also hoping to achieve a lot of other values. So, for example, maintaining populations of bobwhite quail, white-tailed deer, which would be appropriate for hunting interests. You're also managing for nature, ecotourism perhaps, horseback riding. You know, there are some other benefits like breaking longleaf pine straw, which can be done without harvesting the trees themselves. So you're going for a variety of values. Also, of course, clean air, clean water, biodiversity, all of those are coming out of this kind of management.